first rates any seconds now. It's not going to be a great start for benchmark indices because the handover is quite lull and dry. But look at the breadth. Hello, that is like the prime focus, which is 1127 versus 350 declining shares. So that's a ratio 1:4. One stock is going down, 4 stocks are going up, or 4 stock is going up, 1 stock is going down. Let me now start quickly addressing some of the newsmakers now. Not too many newsmakers, but in terms of the pharma, well, Divi's came out with numbers yesterday during the bell. Indigo con call has gone very well, and Bharat Forge numbers came during the market hour, and everyone is calling it expensive. In terms of price action, well, everything was centered around Zomato. Everything was centered around how things are going to move, at least for the entire fintech space, and couple of upgrades and downgrades they both have kicked in for some of the fintech and consumer tech stocks. But I think that's the breadth of the market which continues to be formidable. It does not matter what the print on the Nifty is or the print on the bank Nifty is. What matters is that the breadth is seemingly positive in favor of the bulls. Aisha?
Yeah, that it is. A couple of positive takeaways from a Star Health. They've recovered slightly with that 18% growth in the month of October. For Nykaa as well, the GMV has seen a growth of about 25%, and the beauty and personal care segment revenues have come in higher by 19% and EBITDA jump up of about 32%. But I think there could be a little bit of a base effect as well at play over there. Nykaa holding up almost 4% higher this morning as we speak. Let's see what Bajaj Finance is up to. That QIP launch would be at play, although much in the news. It's only the pricing which is the new element here. 7609 for Bajaj Finance as we speak. Positive numbers from Imami. Positive numbers from HPCL as well, Gland Pharma, RR Kabel, Paris Defense, and even Radico Khaitan has come out with great set of numbers. Gland Pharma, by the way, has gapped up about almost 5% there. And you're seeing good reaction coming in on Paris Defense as well as RR Kabel as well. But then disappointing numbers coming in from an NHPC, from a V-Mart, VRL Logistics, Man Infra, and even Shobha Limited, wherein the margins have actually fallen quite a fair bit, 10.25% versus a comparable of 14.25%, and the EBITDA as well has seen a downtick of 20.5%. Similar is the case with the Reddington 2, wherein the EBITDA downtick stands at 9.6%. Margins also have slipped about 60 basis points. And Greenply Industries 2, wherein there is a margin squeeze and the profits are lower starkly by about 41%. So these are a bunch of stocks which are in focus. Let's check in on what Divi's and BOB both are up to. BOB after that downgrade, the downtick in the stock yesterday, and Divi's as well, wherein Jefferies has downgraded it to a hold from the earlier buy and cut the target price as well. That stock too starts off a little bit lukewarm in trade. There's a downgrade from Citi on sale too, from the earlier buy to now straight away sell. So look out for that stock as well. That's also going to be in focus. Kunal, along expected lines, consolidation, or do you think we could weaken further from here?
I think we should consolidate over here. So 50 points minus for the index for the Nifty and 150 down for the bank Nifty. Nothing much to take away unless there is major signs of the larger cap names starting to show signs of underperformance. Now, in terms of opening trade, ICICI Bank is something which looks attractive. The stock did pretty well yesterday, closing towards its 50 DMA. So that would be a stock which I'd be keen to buy, specifically once it breaks past above the 50 moving average.
Okay. What about you, CA Rudramurthy? What are the opening trades you are punching in?
See, for me, this consolidation and this small dip of about 50 points on Nifty has to be used as an opportunity to buy. We are in a clear uptrend, no shorting this market whatsoever. So for me, 2 stocks looks very, very good to buy at current level on the opening trade. One is Vedanta. This stock has made that strong bottom at around 215, 218 level from where we are getting bounce. So I am looking for target of 250 to come soon on Vedanta. Available in future, one can go long. And even Tata Communications looks good for me. This dip towards levels closer to 1,720, 730 is a great buying opportunity on Tata Communications. So a buy on Vedanta and Tata Com. Overall market, use this dip as a buying opportunity.